Today we want to remind ourselves a little bit, my brothers and sisters, a little reminder. And why I want to remind myself and remind you on this, it's because, last night we had a gathering here for a young girl, 21 years, who passed away. 21 years, young girl. She got sick a couple months ago and passed away. A daughter of one of our members here and brothers who are very regular here. So it's still fresh in my mind as we gathered last night to read Quran and remind ourselves and remind everyone about our duty to Allah, our responsibilities, and how life and death is a trial, it's a test for us to do better deeds. Life and death are two very unique things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has established. That when we ponder over life and we ponder over death, it should bring some haqiqat and reality into our minds, into our hearts. The mere fact that we should understand that life comes from Allah. The soul leaving the body, it's also by the permission of Allah. Scientists have studied, and scientists are still studying the human body, right? Billions of dollars are spent. We have doctors in our gathering here, mashallah. Millions and billions of dollars have been spent and will continue to be spent to try to understand the human body. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. This human body, this human being that has been created in the best of form, it takes the best of form of knowledge, understanding to explore and to understand the functioning of this human body. Because if it is the best and the most beautiful and the most unique that Allah has created, insan, human beings, then it will take a lot to understand it.